Let's learn how to convert hours and minutes to decimal hours. In this example, we'll convert 4 hours and 15 minutes to its decimal form. Let's visualize this using a clock. Here we have a clock showing 4 hours and 15 minutes. The 4 hours part is straightforward. That will be 4 in our decimal. The tricky part is converting the 15 minutes to a decimal. To convert minutes to a decimal of an hour, we need to remember that there are 60 minutes in 1 hour. So 15 minutes can be written as a fraction, 15/60ths of an hour. Let's simplify this fraction. Both 15 and 60 are divisible by 15, giving us 1/4, or 0.25 hours. Let's visualize this on a number line. We start at 4 hours and add 0.25 hours, which brings us to 4.25 hours. So our final calculation is 4 hours plus 0.25 hours equals 4.25 hours. Therefore, 4 hours and 15 minutes is equal to 4.25 hours in decimal form.